We share the ambition of bringing clean energy to shore. Achieving this requires power cables that can perform in the most demanding conditions, at depths that surpass steel's performance. Twaron is a high-performance aramid fiber that reinforces submarine power cables in deep water. It's up to 6 times stronger than steel, yet significantly lighter, enabling cables to be up to 50% lighter than conventional designs. This allows cable makers and installers to use smaller, more cost-efficient installation vessels, simplify handling equipment, and load more cable per shipment. During installation, Twaron reduces strain on cables, lowering the risk of failure. And if repairs are needed, lighter cables are easier to retrieve. With Twaron, you achieve smoother installation, increased reliability, and the ability to lay cables deeper than ever before. To go deeper, we need stronger, lighter solutions. Twaron delivers. Learn more about Twaron Cable Armory. Contact us at industrial@teijinaramid.com.